Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a message from Peer Outreach. We wanted to thank everyone that submitted their shout outs to us yesterday. Please continue to take a picture, send them to us, and we hope to share them out with you real soon. And this week is still Smile Week, and today's letter of the day is M for media.
What's been your favorite way to connect with others? Google Meets, Hangouts, Snapchat, FaceTime, or good old letter writing?
Complete the form and let us know. We look forward to hearing from you.
And so mine, FaceTime, is my new best friend.
I love Google Meets.
I love all of it. So I learned how to do Google Hangouts. I do FaceTime on my phone when my battery is still working, which has to be plugged in all the time. Sometimes I call my friends on my regular old phone because my cell phone is dead. I do letter writing with my lovely note cards. I really need help because I can't figure out which remote control to use for Netflix, guys. And
Oh, Mrs. Ireland.
I know. But I think my favorite thing is to have a dance party. Alexa, continue. When you dance, 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 creeping up on you, so just dance, dance, dance. Things I should do, but you dance, dance, dance. Ain't no place leaving, so keep dancing.
Be well, everyone.
Alexa, stop.
Happy Media Day.
Bye, everybody.